Hi my lovely Capricorns, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Capricorns, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of September 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Capricorns, while pre-shuffling for you guys, I was there were a couple of messages coming through. I was connecting to someone who is sitting in the energy of disappointment, okay? Utter and sheer disappointment. Your broken trust, okay? Someone has let you down big time. Could be a workplace situation, but for some of you guys it could be at personal level as well, okay? I feel that some of you guys might be looking for another opportunity work-wise, and you guys definitely are going to get that opportunity. I saw Page of Pentacles, which talks about message, especially about related to career, and there was Ace of Pentacles as well, but I feel it won't come immediately. You'll have to wait for it, okay? This is not the right time to switch. Probably maybe you should wait for a couple of days or months more and then try, okay? For some of you guys, there could be someone who is fond of you at workplace, specifically at workplace, okay? Maybe you guys interact or maybe not, but there is someone who's actually stalking you is what I was getting, and this is a workplace related thing is what I'm very sure. For some of you guys, Capricorn, your own energy, the devil energy showed up, and somehow, you know, I was not getting a very positive feeling about it, okay? Could be that you are very obsessed materialistically, okay? Chasing material gains left, right, center. See, there's nothing wrong in being materialistic, absolutely nothing wrong chasing your dreams, but make sure that you don't overdo it and do not compromise upon other aspects of our being, like our spiritual being, our emotional being, okay? Giving enough time to family, or taking care of your people and loved ones, and including your own self. There is something toxic pattern is what I was getting. I couldn't put a finger at what it is, but something which is not right and something which is inclined toward obsessive behavior, okay? There's a lot of money coming your way, by the way. Very sure, I'm very sure about that. A lot of money coming your way in the upcoming days or in your near future is what I would say. The card that kept popping up from the Angel Oracles deck is not the right time. Not the right time, okay? So probably for those who are wanting to make a shift, especially career wise, or if you're planning some action like concrete step or action, hold it off, okay? Hold it off. Just sit on it and keep on trying, keep on doing your work, keep on putting your efforts, but do not take that action immediately is what I'm getting. So yeah, with that, let's get started guys and see what messages we have for you guys for this beautiful month of September. Four of Swords. I had got Four of Swords exactly in this position for Sagittarius, okay? If at all you have Sagittarius in your birth chart anywhere, or you are dealing with a fellow Sagittarian, do take a look at that reading as well. By the way, I am Sagittarian and Capricorn. I have both the readings, both the energies in my birth chart. Four, okay. See, there you go. The energy at the bottom of the deck is Five of Cups, and there is Three of Swords as well. There is something which is not pleasant that is happening, okay? Something that has kind of hurt you big time, okay? But we'll figure it out what it is. Star is your advice, guys. Star is your advice. Seven of Cups is also showing up in the overall energy. Ace of Wands, passionate new beginnings. Passionate new beginnings, okay? Two of Wands. Some of you guys, Two of Wands I had seen while while shuffling as well. Justice is there, okay, justice is there. Finally you are going to get your justice. And death. Oh gosh, Scorpion energy. Guys, some major things are happening over here. Some major things are happening over here, okay. Major churn of events is happening over here for you guys. I had similar intense reading for Sagittarian also, and trust me, I have shuffled the cards a lot, and there is no way that the same energies are carried. But if at all you are having Sagittarius as well in your birth chart, the chances are there that you have overlapping energies, okay. So yeah, do check out that reading as well if you have Sagittarius in your birth chart. Let me just quickly confirm if you can see the cards. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Alright guys, let's get started. In your recent past, I see that probably you blocked someone, okay. You blocked someone, you stopped communication with someone. There could also be a case wherein there could also be a case wherein that person came and apologized you, or it could be you doing the apologizing part. I don't know which end of the stick you are into, but yes, there was an apology, there was a message, there was an attempt to rectify what was wrong, okay. But looks like either of the parties, either you or the other person, is in no mood to accept the apology, and I feel that you have blocked someone, okay, for sure. For some of you guys, I also feel that you guys might have had a different kind of idea or a kind of awakening moment, okay. Maybe you guys might have even written some poetry, started something new, painting, or something creative which you had not done before, but all of a sudden you started doing that and doing it really well, okay. That is also the kind of energy I'm getting, something very creative. I also feel that for some of you guys, someone might have even approached you romantically also, is what I'm getting, expressed his or her feelings towards you, but I feel that you are not in the mood to let anyone in, is what I'm getting, guys. You are closed as of now, okay. You have your guards up, and you are kind of in the mental state of isolation, is what I'm getting, guys. Okay, coming to your immediate future, I am seeing that there is something that is bothering you big time, something which is keeping you awake at night, sleepless, anxious. For some of you guys, it could be a financial situation, okay, financial situation that is keeping you worried, okay. It's look at how this lady is sitting on this chest and holding this pentacles close, very uptight and close towards her, okay. There could be a possibility that some of you guys are worried about their workplace situation, especially financial matter, okay, especially financial matter. Maybe there are some loans to be taken care of, debts to be taken care of, and you guys are falling short of money, okay, and you guys are trying to figure out ways of handling your expenses. That could also be the case for some of you guys, okay. Let's move on to your immediate future. For some of you guys, I don't know, this energy, I feel that this energy is the same, okay. 3 of swords, 4 of swords, and 9 of swords. There has been a very Capricorns, some of you guys could be dealing through a deep hurt, okay. Someone has let you down big time, someone has hurt you really bad, okay, and you have blocked that person, but you are continuously thinking of that person, okay. You're continuously thinking about that situation, you are eating, sleeping that situation. In fact, some of you guys are not even sleeping well, okay. That is also what I'm getting. You guys are anxious, you guys are in overthinking mode, and you guys are actually kind of deeply hurt, and that's the reason why your advice has come up as the Star, which talks about healing. Okay, it's an Aquarian energy. We'll talk about it later. There is Judgment card right below this. Okay, for some of you guys, there could be that either you or that person is wanting second chance. Okay, but I feel someone is being very stubborn here and not, is not up for a second chance is what I'm getting. Okay, someone is very, very closed, and they are not up for this judgment call or second chance is what I'm getting. What was there at the bottom of the deck? 5 of Cups. Yeah, someone is very hurt and just not in the mood to give another chance to this situation or to this person. Let's quickly pull some clarifiers over here. Then we'll come to the advice card. Let's see what the 4 of Swords or this overall energy is all about. Again, 3 of Swords has come out, guys. Someone is badly heartbroken over here. Okay, Wheel of Fortune and King of Wands. Now there could be a case wherein if it is a personal level, if it is at a relationship level, guys, you could be stuck in a relationship or in a marriage wherein the other person might not be truthful to you. Okay, and you were kind of feeling utterly stuck. Okay, you were not finding a way out of this situation. That is what is keeping you close, or that close in the sense that is what is keeping you that is what was keeping you anxious. Okay, for some of you guys, there are brand new beginnings, passionate new beginnings in this could be in terms of love life. The Ace of Wands has shown up twice. Okay, sorry, not this. Where did it go? It was here. Ace of Wands has shown up twice. So brand new beginnings, and I feel these are in terms of someone's love life. Okay, I think the King of Wands is going to bring this energy. Someone who is really passionate. Okay, passionate about life in general. Guys, I have one message coming through over here. I feel that some of you guys are going to start something new, something which is creative. Maybe you will publish your own book of poems, maybe, or any book for that matter, poetry, or you could start up or set up your art gallery, sell your paintings, something related to something which was your passion earlier, but now you are turning it into a profession. Okay, that's what I am getting. The Fool energy is showing up, which is starting something new, starting something afresh. Okay, there was Page of Pentacles right below 4 of Swords, which again talks about something that was your brainchild, your own creation, and now you are taking it to another level. Okay, is what I'm getting. There is also Page of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. You guys are very close to achieving your materialistic goals. While pre-shuffling, I had seen 10 of Pentacles, which talks about lot of money coming your way. Okay, now this page, I had seen it while shuffling also. Now this page is a messenger. Okay, this page is going to bring you some good news which will bring in lot of money to you. Okay, if you are trying to sell your property, this page could be your client coming, your prospective client or your prospective buyer. Okay, or if it is if you want to buy a property, this could be the deal that you are getting. Okay, the news that will bring you that deal. It could be a job opportunity coming your way, something that is going to bring in a lot of money to you guys. Okay, let's quickly move to your advice card. The advice has shown up as the Star and 7 of Cups. Guys, you are very emotionally scattered right now. You are feeling very confused. Your emotions are all over places, what I'm seeing. Okay, because you are deeply hurt about something. You are in overthinking mode and you're not thinking rationally. Okay, you're feeling very cluttered, and that's the reason why the angels are advising you to slow down, take it easy, take very good care of yourself, spend time in healing yourself. By healing, I am not just talking about physical healing, but emotional healing as well, spiritual healing as well. Okay, be kind to yourself, love yourself first and foremost, and focus on your emotional and mental well-being, guys. That is what has shown up in the as the advice. Try to strike balance. Do not just keep on chasing your materialistic goals. Make sure you nurture your spiritual spiritual part of, or spiritual aspect, or emotional / mental aspect of your being as well. Okay, do not compromise that. That is what I was getting while shuffling also, and that this advice is again confirming that message for you guys. Okay, let's quickly pull some additional messages from this beautiful deck. Okay, something flipped right away. The end of tough cycle approaches. Of course, you are at 9 of Swords, which is followed by 10 of Swords, which again talks about a very painful ending, guys. I'm sure you're going through some rough patch, rough period, but that's what life is all about. Do not give up, just keep on going. Just focus on your emotional and mental well-being, guys. That's what I will keep on telling you again and again. Okay, anything else for my lovely Capricorns? Damn, the energy is gaining momentum, and don't let your past hold back. Okay, wow, what a lovely message. Nothing will come out of this situation is at the bottom of the deck. Like I said, there is someone who might want to mend things, but like I feel you're not in a mood to mend things, guys. You don't want to give another chance to this situation or energy. Okay, and looks like that is what is going to happen. Nothing is going to come out of this situation, and the situation is going to end. Whatever is required to end this situation, it's going to gain momentum. And guys, do not let this this episode make you sore or bitter. Okay, life is full of ups and downs. Take it in your stride, learn your lessons, and move ahead positively. Okay, do not let this episode hold you back from being good, being kind and gentle towards yourself and others. Okay, that's the message that is coming through. Very intense and very deep, I would say. Let's quickly pull some messages from this beautiful angelic deck. Don't stop and take action. Okay, now guys, if you see, there is Knight of Swords at the bottom of this deck, and which talks about action. Okay, so the angels are saying that keep on moving forward. Okay, do not stop, do not hold off your efforts, do not hold off living your life. Okay, and take action, do the rightful. Okay, do the rightful. And there is Wheel of Fortune also, right, that showed up in your cards. So yes, your life, there could be that it's time to turn over the page, start a new chapter of life. And this transformation phase, this transition is never easy. You probably are going through one such transition, guys, and just hang in there. Okay, just keep on doing your good work and have faith, trust yourself, trust God, trust universe, and everything will be fine. Okay, everything will be fine. Let's quickly pull some charms and conclude this reading. Yeah, Death card, Scorpion energy. Some things are definitely going to end soon. Okay, some bond, some relationship, I don't know what it is, maybe a workplace situation, but there are some endings for sure. Scorpion energy coming through strongly. Live your dream. Yeah, a bad episode, a bad page, bad chapter shouldn't stop you from living your life, living your dream life. Okay, that's what the angels are telling you. Sister is someone to cry, dream, sing, laugh with. Wow, what a lovely message to those who have sisters. Okay, this one is for you. I'm not going to explain that charm. It's very self-explanatory and a very beautiful charm. It's a blessing to have a sister, guys. Trust me. What is this? Life is a gift. Again, same message is repeated for you guys. Life is a gift and you must cherish it no matter what, no matter how many hardships you have. No, not everyone gets, a long life, okay? So make the most out of it, okay? And live like there is no tomorrow. Make a wish, success. So guys, there is the star card is also again all about wish fulfillments as well, okay? So you guys are like I said during pre-shuffling also I had seen that you guys are very close to achieving your materialistic dreams. So yeah, just don't stop your efforts, don't give up on anything, even if your commitment is being tested along the way. Just go and chase your dreams, but make sure that you're not compromising your health, okay, mental and physical in the process. And initial Q. I don't know whatever this initial might be meaning to any of you guys. Initial Q, okay, if at all it means anything to any of you guys. So yeah, I leave it at that, Caprice. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.